Deliveroo has currently been a phenomenal day's trade, up 16% is where it closed the market. But it's well off the highs of where it used to trade. I think it had a 7 billion market cap at one point, Henry. Why would we see DoorDash want to be buying in?
Yes, so we really think that the offer from DoorDash is something that's a long time in the making because according to press reports as early as 2022, there have already been interest from DoorDash to merge with Deliveroo. Also, DoorDash have this international expansion ambition already because in 2022, it made a deal to buy a Finnish food delivery company called Wolt at that time. So it has demonstrated its ambition to expand overseas. Also in 2024, there was a change on Deliveroo side because there was an expiry of a dual class share structure at that time. So which means that CEO and founder Will Shu no longer held the dominant voting power, which paved the way for consolidations or further mergers down the road. So we think that actually it's not very surprising and it's something a long time in the making.
Long time in the making. Shares have bounced today, but not up to the highs of the full extent of the offer, Henry. And I'm interested as to whether there's any concern around the consolidation we're seeing in the industry writ large right now, because Process Group has been making bids for other Delivery Hero, for example.
Yeah, indeed. So for European food delivery stocks, whether we're talking about Just Eat or Deliveroo or Delivery Hero, it's very clear on their share price chart that they have been well off their heights about 3 years ago. The reason is pretty clear because those companies, they pumped huge investor-led cash at that time during the pandemic days, and the orders numbers were high. But now, as we come out of the pandemic, people dine more into restaurants, so that peak is no longer there, and those companies have to pivot to profitability, and that's why we're seeing lower and lower growth. For example, for Deliveroo, it's only reporting about 7% order growth this quarter, and that's the exact reason why we're seeing more consolidations here. You mentioned about the process offer for Just Eat, and this deal that we're looking at as well, because these companies, they need more competition. They need more deals to ease up the competition.